quack, come along and play. 6 little ducklings start their day, wiggle their tails and flap around. Happy little feet go pat, pat on the ground. 6 little ducks that I once knew, fat ones, skinny ones, yellow ones too. But the one little duck with the feather on his back, he ruled the others with a quack, quack, quack. Quack, 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 hear them sing, splash in the water, flap and swing. Waddle together, never look back. Happy little duckies go quack, quack, quack. Down by the river they splish and play, swimming and waddling through the day, diving for pebbles shiny and bright, playing together till the moon shines light. Quack, 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 hear them sing, splash in the water, flap and swing. Waddle together, never look back. Happy little duckies go quack, quack, quack. One little duck saw a butterfly flapping its wings way up in the sky. Come and chase it, the ducklings cried. Off they waddled side by side, tip, tip toes by the pond so blue, sun shining softly, sky so true. Round and round they laugh all day, little duck friends love to play. When the stars begin to glow, home little ducklings slowly go. Mama duck smiles with a gentle quack. Welcome home, my duckies, welcome back. Quack, 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 sing along. Little duckies dance to the song. Flap your wings and wiggle your back. Everybody shout, quack, quack, quack. 6 little ducklings say goodbye, wave their wings to the evening sky. See you tomorrow for fun and play. Little duckies laugh.